Hi, I'm going to show you my compressor today. It is remote controlled over a VST plugin or standalone software. You basically connect to a DSP server on the compressor itself on your hardware, and the server can take up to 7 clients at the same time. So you can control it from everywhere from the network. As you can see, the software can control the hardware can control the software. Everything is synchronized and everything is updated at the same time. So if you have more than one client running, they are all updated. You can make presets and load and store them in your DAW. And the best thing about it is you can write and read automation with it. Please don't take the settings serious, it's just a functional demonstration. Would love to have some feedback.